Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do like reviews of oracle cards and tarot cards and drop them in here so y'all can check out the decks. Here's the back. Nice little box. You see the gold like that. It's a nice box. I am Queen Oracle. It doesn't want to open. It's got a little message inside the box. Allow the wisdom of the Queen within to guide you. Yes. Yes, Queen. I love this. Lift up the box. That's what you see. There's the bottom of the box inside. A book. I'll look at that in a minute. Here's a little download the free app for the company, I think, that makes this, called Rockpool. Here's the cards that have this little seal on them. Here comes Houdini to check out the new cards. You knew he had to show up. Now let's take a look at these. Here's the back. Really pretty. Got the crown on it. Oh, look. It's got gold sides. I love when they do that, when they have gold on the sides of the cards. I think it just looks classy. Um, let's look at these. The Queen of Insecurity. There you go. Here is the Queen of Letting Life Move Through. Oh my God, here's me, the Queen of Trying to Keep It All Together. Look at the bird in her hair. These are going to be fun. These are going to be so fun. These are in order right now. This was number 1, Queen of Insecurity. Number 2, Queen of Letting Life Move Through. Number 3, the Queen of Trying to Keep It All Together. I actually saw this card. I think it was on someone's Instagram. And I was like, oh my God, that is me. This is so me right here. And I just had to get this deck. So yeah, I bought this deck. It was not given to me. It's not a gift or anything like that. But if you have a tarot deck and you want me to review it, or an oracle deck, let me know. Drop me a comment. Go over to my Instagram and drop me a DM. Let me know. I would love to review it. Oh, the Queen of Tenderness. The Queen of Breaking the Spell. Like that one. Oh, the Queen of Ancestors. Look at that, with the string coming out of the top. The crown, the connection. Love it. Queen of Focused Action. Queen of Focused Action. I love the images on these cards. They're beautiful. They speak so much. These are images that I'm going to look at them and see something new every time. I really love this one. The Queen of Pure Essence. Look at that. That one's so different than all the other ones we've seen so far. All the other ones are like very colorful, and this is kind of like in grayscale. The Queen of the Underworld. Ooh, look, the third eye there, y'all. See it? Cool. Oh, this one is beautiful. The Queen of Miracles. Look how beautiful that is. The Queen of Self-Discovery. The Owl, Wisdom. Cool. The Queen of Taking on the World. Oh, number 13. The Queen of Sensuality. Oh, I like this one. The Queen of Resilience. That one says so much. Ah, the Queen of Love. The Queen of Love. Oh, the Queen of Alchemy. Look what's on top of her head. It's that snake, and I can never remember its name. But I know its meaning. Queen of Creating Beauty. Look, she's speaking flowers out of her mouth. I love it. Oh, this one is the Queen of Shapeshifting. Cool. Queen of Shapeshifting. Pretty cool. Queen of the Unapologetic. This is the menopause queen, y'all. This is the crone. Because when we get to that age, let me tell you, we don't care anymore. We are not apologizing for shit. The Queen of I Am Enough. Yes, say it loud, y'all. I am enough. Say it to yourself every day. Queen of Internal Fulfillment. Yes, fulfillment from inside. The Queen of New Hope, 22. 22 is a significant number to me in my life. It means a lot. So I love that that is the Queen of New Hope. The Queen of Filling Off. Because it's okay to feel off once in a while. But why is this like giving me voodoo doll feelings, huh? The Queen of Oneness. The Queen of Oneness. But there's two, huh? Interesting. The Queen of Feminine Power. Queen of Feminine Power. The Queen of Intuitive Knowing. Look in the crown. Do you see that? That's another face up there. Yes. I love that. The intuition coming in the crown. Yeah. The Queen of Unfelt Emotions. That just looks like emotions, doesn't it? Oh, the Queen of Mischievous Play. And hopefully I can show this on here because it's a little, yeah, but it doesn't look real obvious. So hopefully I won't get in trouble. The Queen of Mischievous Play. Problem with some tarot cards is their art. So they have some nudity sometimes. And we have to be careful on YouTube. The Queen of Adventure. Look, her crown is a map. I love it. The Queen of Innocence. Yeah, that one's amazing. Look at this. This one is just amazing. All the flowers and the butterfly wings. This is the Queen of Success. I love that one. The Queen of Gratitude. Because when you're grateful, blessings grow. The Queen of Creativity. The Queen of Receiving. Oh, I really like this one too. The Queen of Abundance. This one feels a little thicker, but it's not. It's number 35. The one before it was 34, and the next one's 36. This is the Queen of Abundance. I like that one too. And the Queen of Connection. Queen of Connection. There are 36 cards in this deck. 36. I love the gold. I really like gold on them. Gold edging. let's take a peek at the book. It's going to be upside down for y'all, but I'll turn it around and let y'all see some stuff. Here is the author and the illustrator. The book. O.T. Harma is a Finnish-born artist and oracle card creator based in Los Angeles. Here are what it looks like, a little book with the little meanings. I don't know why I started at the end of the book, but that's just me. There's another one in the book with the meaning. Beginning of the book is table of contents, introduction. I have not read this, so it's probably like telling you how you can use the card. Oh, here's how to use the cards if you want to do it that way, and go with the advice there. Here's a different spread. The 1 card spreads, the 2, 3 card spreads. Now here's where it goes into the meaning of the cards. And it seems to be that each one of these, it has the card, and then it tells you about a little bit about the card, and then it will say finding her within, and under that it tells you how to work with the card, and then her gifts. I mean, want me to read one of these? Let's see. Let's see what it's going to want me to read. Let's just open it somewhere and see if it will give us something. Unfelt emotions. It opened on the end of that one, but it's unfelt emotions. So I will read that one to you. Hopefully, I can see it with my glasses. Unlike children who are good at letting emotions move through them instantly, as an adult, you endure the pressures of daily life and can disconnect from your innocent feelings. Maybe those feelings were pushed away so long ago that you can't locate them anymore. You might sometimes even downplay your happy feelings and think that they are too much or that you should not make a big deal of them. The Queen of Unfelt Emotions encourages you to feel. She embodies the aspect of you that holds buried emotions and represents the parts of you that have been neglected or overlooked and yearn to be acknowledged and felt. Give this queen your loving attention. And then under the finding her within, are there signs you recognize when your queen of unfelt emotions shows herself in you? These are kind of like, I guess, journal prompts, maybe. You might notice areas in your body that get tense and uncomfortable, signaling the presence of unexpected feelings. Remember how you successfully got in touch with your unfelt emotions in the past? Did they bubble up to the surface? And what was your doorway to uncover and release these feelings? So it's almost like each card has finding her within, looking within yourself, how you can work with the card to look within yourself and do some shadow work or some self work. Her gifts. Invite the queen of unfelt emotions to reveal herself to you with compassion and openness. Create a safe space within yourself to explore and acknowledge these buried emotions without judgment or resistance, and allow yourself to feel whatever arises. Sorry, I might need some stronger glasses. Sometimes they write these things so tiny. Um, without judgment or resistance, and allow yourself to feel whatever arises with gentleness and acceptance. Practice self-care, such as by taking a bath, journaling, meditating, or engaging in expressive art to connect and gently release these buried feelings. Remember that embracing and integrating your emotions paves the way for healing and transformation. When you let yourself feel sorrow, it opens your heart. With an open heart, you have a bigger capacity to also feel the joys of life. So that's just an example of what one of the cards would say in the book. Um, Probably like all of my cards, I won't be using the book because y'all know when I do readings, my cards are tools that they help me channel and bring messages through me um, from the spirit world. So, yeah, that's what these cards are. They're a little bigger in your hand. Um, they seem to shuffle like this very well. They're probably not going to shuffle this way very well, at least not for me, because they're really big in my hand. Um, but they are a smaller deck, so probably wouldn't need to shuffle them like this that much. Um, but yeah, they're because they're not meant to be. Oracle cards are not meant to be read in reverse. So, like when you shuffle them that way, you get some of them in reverse and some of them not. See, Oracle cards aren't meant to be read that way, so it doesn't matter that I cannot shuffle them that way. So, anyway, that has been these cards, and I'm excited to use them in an upcoming reading. So, y'all let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you like for me to do some more card reviews? If you have cards you would like for me to review, let me know in the comments. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think about these cards. If you find them as interesting as I do, subscribe, like, share this to someone, send it to them in a message. Be like, hey, I saw these cool cards, check them out. Anyway, make sure that you support the channel by subscribing. It really does help me grow the channel and grow the community. Anyway, love your faces. That's been the I Am Oracle cards. Kisses.